Before we get to your workout, I want to tell you about a really special and fun program I'm offering starting August 16th. It's going to last 5 days, and it's 5 workouts, all for how to use weights in your workout. So this is for anyone who's just starting out with weights, anyone who's a beginner with weights, or wants to learn how to use weights in their workouts. This is for you, and I'm so excited about it. The link is below to sign up, and I'll see you there. Today we are working our obliques. Go ahead and lay down on your back. So I'm going to show you the work that you can get in a short amount of time. Let's bring hands behind our heads. Feet are flat. Inhale. Exhale, roll up. Inhale to come back down. So you're getting shoulder blades off the mat. You're trying to keep your tailbone flat. Roll up. Stay here. Twist to your left. Center. Right, center. Again, make sure that you're not tucking your tailbone so your sacrum's nice and flat. It's your shoulder blades that are off. Good. Come to the left. Stay here. Lift your left leg and lower. Lift, lower. Good. 4 more. Keep trying to bring that right shoulder blade off. Last 2 and 1. Bring it down, other side. Here we go. The right leg lifts and lowers. So now you're really trying to twist to get the left shoulder blade off. And so yes, this is going to be a quick and effective workout. You're probably already burning here. Last one. And center and down. Bring your legs into your chest. We're going to straighten the right leg out, left leg up. I want you to roll up into a crunch, okay? So now switch legs, switch. Last 2. Now stay here. Bring the hands behind the head so your left leg is up. Twist to the left, twist to the right as you switch legs. Nice. So splits with a twist. Reach and reach. 4, 3, 2, 1, center, hug the knees in, rock yourself forward and back till you come all the way up. We're going to come onto our left sides. So you're going to be on your elbow with your legs out straight, right hand behind your head, lift up side plank and lower back down. So you can have your feet stacked like this, or you can have them staggered if that's easier for you, okay? And you're really trying to lift the hips up, and you can always just do this on your knees also. So this is a great alternative, okay? Last one, lift. Woo, here we go, stay here. Twist your body towards the ground, and then open. Twist, open. 4 more. 4, nice. 3, and 2, 1, lower, bend your knees, come up, find a side stretch, and we're going to go to the other side. So I told you we weren't messing around in this workout today. Right elbow on the ground under your shoulder. When you're ready, we're going to lift and lower. So these kind of short core workouts are great to incorporate on your cardio days or at the end of one of your strength days. It's a great way to cross train and make sure you're getting that strength for your obliques and your back as well. Lift up, stay here, twist and open. So I'm twisting my body towards the ground, not just my elbow, but my whole chest is trying to shine towards the ground, and then back up. Last 2 and 1. Nice job. Lower down. Come all the way back up. Okay, we're going to come down into a plank position. So we're going to have hands underneath our shoulders. Step 1 foot back and then the other. Have your feet about hip distance apart. I'm going to have you tap opposite elbows. Or I'm sorry, shoulders. Probably wondering what I was doing here. Tap opposite shoulders. Okay, I'm gonna add something to this here in a moment. Bring your right hand down, keep it there, rotate and open side plank. Come back to center. Tap, 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 then left hand down and open to that side. Come back down, tap, tap, you got it, you know where we're going now. Right hand down, open, center, and tap, left hand. We're gonna do one more set each side. Okay, you're in your home stretch. Keep breathing. Trust your arms and your abs to carry you through. Just one more set. Left hand down and open. Come back to center. Come down onto your belly as slow as you can. Separate your legs. Press yourself up to stretch out those abs. Look over one shoulder. Look over the other shoulder. Back to center. Bend your knees. Come back into a child's pose. And slowly restack. Shoulders down and back. And let's sit. Bring your right foot in and your left foot back. Arms out to a side. And then bring your left hand down, right hand over again, getting that nice side waist stretch here. After all that work you just did, come back up, stretch the other way. And then we're gonna switch legs. So my right foot goes back, left foot in. Arms out to the side, and we're gonna go to the right first. And really feel that you're getting that left sit bone down. Nice. Come back up, take it to the other side. Always nice to stretch it out after that work. Come back up. I'm gonna have you bring your legs out in front of you. Have them that distance apart. Pull your toes back towards you, hands behind your head, and just rotate to one side, center, other side. So this is a great way to continue that work in the obliques, but at the same time, you're actually stretching your spine, getting some mobility in the vertebrae. It's a part of the workout that we tend to miss. So to make sure and give it to you here, one more each side. Nice, bring your arms in front of you, reach forward, and then restack. Shoulders down and back. And great job. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you next time. Thanks so much for stopping by. Remember, subscribe to my channel and you'll be notified every time a new video comes up. Like and comment on this video and let me know what you thought. You can also always come over to jessicavalantpilates.com to find all the resources I have for living a healthy lifestyle, including full-length workout videos, healthy recipes, and a community I would love for you to be a part of. So I'll see you there.